Good morning. It's Thursday, November 12th. I hope everyone celebrated the Memorial or Veterans Day yesterday. Yesterday it was actually a lightly traded day due to tributes that were taking place around the nation, and probably was a good day to have stayed away from trading. It traded very much like the Canadian markets, where you have lighter volume and don't really get the movement that we expect. So there are certain days, as I said in an earlier video, that you need to avoid, and yesterday was probably one of them. However, the markets were open, and if you did trade, I sure hope you had good results. We're going to be looking at the premonition charts again today, and we should be in for a pretty normal day. Futures are looking down right now. It's 9:09, so the market's open in about 20 minutes time. But at this point, they look down, so I'm expecting the day to end with a red directional strength. We'll see how accurate I was. If you want to learn more about the directional strength, by all means, get yourself a subscription. Go to www.financialfurnace.com, and we'd love to welcome you aboard. Markets are open, and as we can see, we started off red, just as I predicted. So we'll wait for, well, it's not very strong. At this point, we could go either way. There we go, SPY. SPY to the downside. As soon as that yellow bar disappears, forgive me for flipping paper there. So we'll wait for that yellow bar to go, and then into some puts today. 91. Go buy it for a 91. Let's take a look, see if we're getting anything else. We've really only got 3 candidates here. We're going to go in the direction of the market. Not getting too much happening. Look at this. Okay, we bought it for 91. It's now 93, so we're 2 cents into profit. And that was about 10 seconds. Okay, we're getting a negative now on COP, DIA, FCX, HAL, and IWM, all down. And as you can see, the directional strength now has moved to 3, so it's getting stronger to the downside. So let's check some prices. Look at our SPY that we bought. 103 right now. We bought it for 91 just a moment ago. COP. Come on, give me a number. Puts are on the right, calls on the left. Oh, that's way too cheap. Okay. 229, 242. 242. 55. For diamonds, DIA, that's for the 102 strike price. 84 and 86. FCX. Boy, is this slow today. 153, 152, 154. There we go. 152, 154. That's for the 80s. Halliburton. 74 and 75. That's for the 31s. And IWM. This one's in the money. That's for the 59s. I think we've got a good shopping list. 98, 99. Boy, that thing's changing every second. We're going to pay 99 for it. Now what we want to see is we want to see this number 3 getting bigger. Then we know we've got us a real profit opportunity today. Okay, the directional strength is getting smaller, which is not what we want to see. And we've got FCX going up. FCX to the upside. Wow, that was quick. Although it's going against the market. $122 and $124. That's for the 85s. It's 9:51. Take a look at our FCX calls. Now 142, and we bought them for 124. That was about 10 minutes. Oh, 147. It keeps giving us profit. Now we've gone green, even though it's still 0. Okay, we've got COP to the upside. And take a look at how the directional strength has changed. Started off negative, and look at that. See, oh, we should look at FCX. It's now 159. Look at, we bought that for 124. Wow, it's 958 right now. Okay, it's about 11:30 right now. 11:36 actually. There you go. And we've things have started to get pretty negative. So this is in confirmation with how we opened. Although we opened at quite a range here. We were up as high as green 3. We're right now at the low of the day, so I think this is a good time to check some prices. So we had the SPY 109 puts right there, 115 right now, and we paid 91 for them. We had ConocoPhillips puts. We had the 55s. I think we paid a lot for these. We paid 242, and they are now, eventually we'll get a price here, you know. This thing actually does show a price, 276. We had diamonds. We had the 102 puts, and we paid 86 for them. They're now 99, so we made 13 cents on that one. FCX, we had the $80 puts right there, and we paid 154 for them. And they are now, come on, give me a number, 177. And I don't know why this thing's working so slowly. Halliburton, we had the $31 puts right there. They're now 94. And we paid 75. We also had IWM. We had the $59 puts. And we paid, what did we pay for these? 99. They're now 123. And it's 11:38. So I'd say I'm done for the day. Here's what we bought, all puts today. We bought 6 of them actually. There's how many contracts we would have been able to buy at the ask price at $9.35, so that we keep each of them under $1,000. So the total investment today, $5,740. Now here's the prices that we just got for them. 115, I'll just put them in here. All of them profitable. There's the profit on each of them, for a total profit today of $1,090, or if you want in percentage, return on our investment, 18.99%. That's in 2 hours. We did that in 2 hours. I hope you've had a good day.